Guys, we are checking out Jefferson Airplane. We just did a reaction to Starship, which is on the channel right now. You can go check that out. And then Valoria told me that they first were called Jefferson Airplane, then Jefferson Starship, and then Starship. So they made the song White Rabbit as well. I'm going to just subscribe and like. Thank you, Valoria, for the donation request. We're going to get into this. If you like what you hear, go check out the original. And check out the other reactions on the channel. Let's go. Yo, what is that on his guitar? Is that a frog? So, let me say this first. The video itself is already tripping because we are in, what we're in? 46 seconds, and all I could think of is what I saw in the first scene, and that is the frog on the guitar. Or what is that? Is it like a fish? What is it? I have no idea. I've just been thinking about this, but the video itself is already tripping me out, man. Like the background and everything. That's that typical, what is it? Wait, it says it right here. 1960, yes, about the 70s, almost this typical trippy background, you know, with all the colors, vibrant colors and circles and whatever. Very nice. But okay, let me think past the frog on, or the fish on the guitar, and see what's going on. An asteroid, a potato, who knows? Okay.
And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall.
So this is about Alice in Wonderland.
And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall.
She has a really nice voice. It's about doing drugs. Okay. Because, yeah, okay, I can get that. Because they were talking about this pill will make you big, this pill will make you small, all that stuff. But that is also a reference to what happened in Alice in Wonderland, right? She fell into a hole, talked to rabbits, she became really big and then really small during the movie. So that's very interesting. But let me listen to it from here, because it's kind of a short song, so we're not skipping too far. It's just 1 minute. Let me just listen to it again with that mindset, because it's probably about that. some kind of mushroom. She's got a very nice vibrato in her voice. A really fast switching vibrato. So it's and I'm like, I cannot do that. So I'm, but you know what I'm saying, right? Very nice, especially at the end here. Man, it seems like everybody in the chat here, or a lot of people, know this song. I'm wondering if I would show this to my dad, because my dad is from this time, or he was born 1970 something. So he was during the time a little, but my grandma surely would know this track, especially since it's hippie oriented, about drugs and mushrooms and all that stuff, you know. She was very much into that when she was. I bet he does. Yeah, if he doesn't know it, she will know it 100%, like 1,000%. Because I could see my grandma being there on this music video, doing some music or whatever. It would just fit perfectly. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, it looks very, very trippy. This background. Also, I like how nonchalant the singer is here. And what was the singer? Grace Slick singing. So Grace has a very la la and very nice vibrato singing skills, everything. But she's just doing la la, something like that, you know, with the facial expressions. Very nonchalant. I like that. Nonchalant. Yeah, that's all about it, I have to say. Jefferson Airplane, who is now Starship, right? Crazy how things go. Thank you for this request. I really appreciate you. Go check him out, and I will see you in the next one.